Okay, so the last video we learned part number one. So we have a 4 flashcard. Each flashcard have 2 words. This is what we learned last time. Now I will show you how you access to this page. If when you coming into mydarija.com for the first time, you can actually click over here. You're gonna get flashcard, or you can go to free and flashcard. So we learn those. So the part number two, we're gonna learn we have a 4 flashcard, and we're gonna go always from left to right. So before I start, I want to just tell you something I'm trying to do. So I want to go to animal page, and I will start making a video for those pages too. There's a lot of animals over there you're gonna learn about. Anyway, so for example, I will tell you what those FM mean. I already tell you what it is, but when you find it here, what does this mean? So basically, for the first example, there's a cat, right? So cat, so male, you're gonna say mush, mush, and female, you're gonna say, if you see F right there, so it's musha, it's musha. So when I start making a video, I will add a plural. So I will say, how are you gonna say plural, like you have 4 or 5 cat or more. And plural for cat is mshesh, mshesh. So I will go here and do a video about this. So basically that's the first step I want to do. Anyway, now we're gonna go back to flashcard. Alright, here we're gonna start part number two. So the first one is absent. You're gonna say غايب, غايب, غايب. Okay, so in the second one is present. You're gonna say حاضر, حاضر, حاضر. Okay, the second flashcard, sometimes بعض المرات, بعض المرات, بعض المرات. And the third flashcard is cold, بارد, cold, بارد, بارد, hot, سخون, سخون, سخون. Okay, you're gonna see a number 5 right here. There is I have a page explaining those alphabet you cannot find in English, so we'll replace them with some few numbers, like number 2 and number 7, number 5, sometime number 6. I have a page here on the top in premium page. It's called a special word. You can go over there and they have all of them over there. I have alphabet, I have everything you're gonna know about Darija. So now we're gonna go to the last flashcard. It's always Dima, Dima, like D-E-E-M, Dima, Dima. Okay, this is the part number 2. It was a short video, so I will try to make part number 3 to part number 4, part number 5, until I get all those done. If you want me to add something that you wanna really see it, feel free to just email me or text me, tell me, oh, I wanna see those in flashcard. I will add those later. So if you have any questions or you need help or something, feel free to email me. So if you want to contact me, you can go to the bottom of the page, you go to contact us, and there is an email here in the bottom, and it said majorija@yahoo.com, or you can put your full name like subject and write your subject and you add those number. Here it's 50 and you submit. When you send me that email, I will see it and I will get back with you. So thank you for watching, and if you have anything you want to say, feel free to let me know.